Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 9th class maths, quadrilaterals exercise 8.3. First problem. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degrees and x plus 48 degrees. Find the measure of all angles. So let us draw a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Opposite angles means let us consider angle A is equal to 3x minus 2 and angle B is equal to x plus 48 degrees. So we know that since ABCD is a parallelogram, we can say that angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. That means 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 48. That means 3x minus x is equal to 48 plus 2. 2x is equal to 50. So what is x? 50 by 2, that is 25. X is 25. Therefore, what is angle A? Angle A is equal to 3x minus 2. That is 3 into 25 minus 2. So 75 minus 2. That is 73 degrees. Angle A is 73 degrees. Therefore, its opposite angle, angle C, is also 73 degrees. Even if you substitute that also, 25 plus 48 is 73. So angle C, you can say 73. We know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. What are they? They are adjacent angles of parallelogram. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So this is 73 degrees plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle B? 180 degrees minus 73 degrees. So 10 minus 3, 7, and 7 minus 7, 0, 1. 107 degrees. So what are the angles? Angle A is equal to 73 degrees. Angle B. So here we can say angle B is equal to this also I'll write. Angle B is equal to angle D. They are opposite angles of parallelogram. Therefore, angle D is also equal to 107 degrees. So, angle A is equal to 73, angle B is equal to 107 degrees, angle C is equal to 73 degrees, angle D is equal to 107 degrees. These are the answers for this problem, children. So, note it down. ABCD is a parallelogram, and in this parallelogram they have given angle A is 3x minus 2 and angle C is x plus 48. So we know that these two angles are equal because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. So I have equalized these two equations and I found the value of x as 25. Now after getting the value of x, what did I do? I have substituted the value of x in the a degrees that they have given, 3x minus 2. So 3 into 25 minus 2, 75 minus 2, that is 73 degrees is angle A. Angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of parallelogram. Here only we have said angle A is equal to angle C. So angle C is 73 degrees. Now we also know that angle A plus angle B is 180 degrees because they are the adjacent angles of the parallelogram. So 73 degrees plus angle B is 180 degrees. Angle B is 180 minus 73, that is 107 degrees. And also we know that angle B is equal to angle D. They are opposite angles of parallelogram. So angle D is also equal to 107 degrees. So angle A 73, angle B 107, angle C 73, angle D 107. These are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now the second problem, children. Find the measure of all angles of a parallelogram. If one angle is 24 degrees, less than twice the smallest angle. So let me take a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. What is it? What did they say? One angle is 24 degrees less than the twice the smallest angle. So let me consider angle A is the smallest angle. Let angle A is the smallest angle, and angle A is equal to, I'll take it as x degrees. Then according to problem, what did they say? One angle is 24 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. That means angle B is equal to 24 degrees less minus 24 degrees. What is that? This less than the twice the smallest angle, 2 times of smallest angle. So it is 2x minus 24. See, once again I'll say one angle is 24 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. Remember this, children. 24 degrees less. So I wrote minus twice 2x. That is why first I wrote this, then I wrote this. Please understand this. One angle is 24 degrees less than the twice the smallest angle. So we need to find out all the angles. So what did you get? 2a. This is 2x minus 24 degrees. So we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. They are adjacent angles of parallelogram. So that is 180 degrees. Angle A is x degrees, plus angle B is 2x minus 24 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That means x plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 180. 2x plus x is 3x minus 24 is 180. So what is 3x? 180 plus 24. That means how much? 4, 10, 204. 3x is equal to 204. So what is x? 204 by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 8 are 24. So 68 degrees is x. That means angle A is equal to 68 degrees. We know that angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of parallelogram. Therefore, angle C is also equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is 60 degrees. Now, what is angle B? Angle B is equal to 2x minus 24. That is 2 into, what is x value I have got? Here x value, here I have got x as 68. So 68 minus 24. That is 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 1 13, 136 minus 24. How much am I getting? 136 minus 24. This is 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1. 112 degrees. Angle B is equal to angle D. They are opposite angles of parallelogram. Therefore, angle D is also equal to 112 degrees. So, angle A is 68 degrees, angle B is 112 degrees, angle C is 68 degrees, angle D is 112 degrees. These are the answers. That is from angle A. These are all the answers. So, let me explain once again. What does the problem says? The problem says find the measure of all angles of parallelogram if one angle is 24 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. This part you should understand very carefully, children. One angle is 24 degrees less, means its value is less than what? Twice of the smallest angle. So I have taken a parallelogram in which I took this as, because see, it is an acute angle, this is an obtuse angle. So definitely acute angle is smaller. So I took angle A is x is degrees. So if angle A is x degrees, according to the problem, angle B is nothing but the other angle. Definitely that is the greater angle, is 24 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. So 24 I wrote first, less, so I kept a minus, and twice smallest angle 2x, so 2x minus 24. We know that angle A plus angle B is 180 degrees, so x plus 2x minus 24 is 180 degrees. So on solving I got x value as 68 degrees. X is 68 means angle A is 68. Angle A is equal to angle C, so angle C is 68 degrees. Angle B is 2x minus 24, so I have got angle B 112 degrees. So angle B is equal to angle D, so angle D is 112 degrees. So angle A 68, angle B 112, angle B C 68, and angle D 112 degrees. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now children, third problem, this is the figure given to you, and the problem is in the adjacent figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of BC. This is BC, E is the midpoint of BC, and DE and AB are produced to meet at F. You have to show that AF is equal to 2AB. So what is given here? You have got ABCD is a parallelogram, and E is the midpoint of BC. What do you understand with this? We can understand that CE is equal to BE, and DE and AB are extended to meet at F. Now, what is the RTP? What we need to prove? We need to prove that AF is equal to 2 times of AB. So, let us see how are we going to prove. You have got triangle DEC and a triangle BEF. In these two triangles, DEC and BEF, in these two triangles, we can say that angle C is equal to angle B. These two angles are equal. Why? They are alternate angles. See children, if it is a parallelogram, these two sides are parallel sides. So when you extend this also, this whole thing is parallel to this. So definitely this becomes the transversal. BC becomes the transversal. So transversal means these two are alternate angles. They are equal. And we know that CE is equal to BE. This is given to us. And CE is equal to BE. This is given to you. Angle DEC is equal to angle BEF. They are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. So therefore, triangle, what did I say? TEC is congruent to triangle BEF basing on angle side angle property. When these two triangles are equal, we can say that BF is equal to CD. But CD is equal to AB. Why? They are opposite sides of parallelogram. So they are equal. Okay, BF is equal to CD. Therefore, what I can say? BF is equal to AB. Now, AF. What is AF? AF is equal to AB plus BF. AF is equal to AB plus BF. This is nothing but AB plus, again I am writing AB. Why? Because BF is equal to AB. That means what? 2 times of AB. Therefore, what is that they have asked? AF is equal to 2AB. AB. Hence, proved. We have proved it in this way. So, please listen once again. What is that they said? ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of BC. DE is produced. And AB also is produced. so that they both will meet at F. Now we need to prove that AF is equal to 2 times of AB. So I have taken these two triangles. One is triangle DEC and another one is triangle BEF. In these two triangles, CE is equal to BF. Already they have given to us CE is equal to BF. It is given to us. So now, angle C is equal to angle B because they are alternate angles, because these two are parallel lines and this becomes transversal. So these are alternate angles, and angle DEC is equal to angle BEF. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So what you can say, these two triangles are congruent basing on angle side angle property. When these two triangles are congruent, then BF will be equal to CD. Opposite corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal, corresponding sides are equal. So I can say BF is equal to CD. But CD is equal to AB. Why? Because they are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. So definitely these two are equal. When these two are equal, I can say that see BF is equal to what we have got, BF is equal to CD we have got, and CD is equal to AB. So we can say BF is equal to AB. Now what is AF? AF is AB plus BF. So in the place of BF I wrote AB. So 2 times of AB is equal to AF. Is the proof, children? Please note it down. Now, fourth problem, children. Fourth problem is ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. P and Q are the midpoints of ABCD respectively. That is, P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of AC. You have to prove that PBQC is also a parallelogram. So, what is given to us? ABCD is a parallelogram. P is the midpoint of AB. That means what? AP is equal to PB. And Q is the midpoint of CD. Therefore, DQ is equal to CQ. Okay. Now, the RTP is what? We need to prove that PBCQ is a parallelogram. That means, what is the construction here? Construction is you have to join PQ. So, you have to join PQ. So, proof. Now, we know that AB is equal to CD because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. So AB is equal to CD. That means half of AB will be equal to half of CD. What is half of AB? That is PB. This implies PB is equal to QC. Also, AB is parallel to CD because opposite sides of parallelogram, they are parallel. Therefore, PB is also parallel to QC. So we can consider this as the first one, this as the second one. So from 1 and 2, we can say that PBCQ is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. So we can say that PBQR Q is a parallelogram. So once again, ABCD is a parallelogram. P is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of CQ. You have to show that PBCQ is also a parallelogram. Now construction is you have to join P and Q. Now what is AB? We know that AB is equal to CD. Why? Because these are the opposite sides of parallelogram. So half of AB will be equal to half of CD. What is half of ABC? When AP is equal to PB, PB will be the half of AC. Similarly, CQ also or QC is also half of CD. They are also equal. And also AB is parallel to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. When AB is parallel to CD, definitely PB will be parallel to QC because these are only a part of AB. So opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. So PBCQ is a parallelogram. Please note it down. Now, fifth problem, children. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AD bisects QAC, angle QAC. That means BA is extended to Q. So AD is bisecting angle QAC. AD, and also CD is parallel to AB, they are saying. CD is parallel to AB. Now we have to prove that angle DAC is equal to angle BCA, and also ABCD is a parallelogram. So what is given? We have got in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and AD, AD line, it is line segment. AD bisects angle QAC. Now we need to prove what is RTP. We have to prove first one, angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. Angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. And the second one we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. Now let us go for the proof. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given to us. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B and angle C are equal. And exterior angle QAC. For this triangle, this is exterior angle, is equal to what you can say, interior, sum of interior opposite angles. So this is nothing but angle C plus angle C, that is 2 times of angle C. Exterior angle QAC is 2 times of angle C. Now what is angle DAC? Angle DAC is half of exterior angle QAC. So half of exterior angle QAC is angle DAC. Okay. So if you talk about angle DAC, QAC is here we have got exterior angle QAC is equal to 2 times of angle C. So half of exterior angle QAC is equal to 2 angle C by 2. So these two will get cancelled. Half of exterior angle QAC is angle DAC is equal to angle C. Angle C means what, children? Angle BCA. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. This is one proof. The first proof we have done, children. This is the first proof. And let us go for the second proof. Second proof, they have given that first what we have got, we'll see. Angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. We have just now proved. Therefore, what you can say, they are what type of angles, children? So when you see the figure, angle DAC and angle BCA, they are alternate angles. for AD and BC. So they are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So we have proved that alternate angles are equal. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. When you could prove that AD is parallel to BC, they have already given. What is given to us? They have given CD is parallel to AB. Is AB. This is given to us. So you see, children, AD is parallel to BC, we have proved, and CD is AD is parallel. AB is parallel to CD. They have given. Here I have not written here. CD is parallel to AB. This is also given to us. CD is parallel to AB. This is also we should write. So CD is parallel to AB. They have given to us, and AD is parallel to BC. Just now we have proved. CD is it is AD. AD is parallel to BC. Here I wrote. AD is parallel to BC. We have proved. CD is parallel to AB. They have given. Therefore, what you can say? ABCD is a parallelogram. This is what the proof they have asked. We have proved, children. So let us see once again. Triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle they have given, and AD bisects angle QAC, and we need to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. And also angle, first we have to prove that angle DAC is equal to angle BAC, then ABCD is a parallelogram. So we'll take the proof. First angle ABC, AB is equal to AC they have given. So when in a triangle, when two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. Now exterior angle QAC. Exterior angle is nothing but sum of interior opposite angles. So that means angle B plus angle C. I took angle B also angle C. So two times of angle C. And what is angle DAC? It is nothing but half of exterior angle QAC. This is also given to us. I can write it as given. Why? Because they said that AD bisects angle QAC. So angle DAC is nothing but half of exterior angle QAC. So exterior angle QAC is what we have got, two times of angle C. So half of exterior angle QAC is nothing but, if I take half here, I have to make half here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So half of exterior angle QAC is angle C. Half of exterior angle QAC is angle DAC. So angle DAC is equal to angle C. Angle C means what? Angle BCA. But when you observe angle BCA, this is what they have asked. Now, first bit we have proved. Now, when you go to the second bit, angle BCA and angle DAC are equal. We have just now proved. So these two are alternate angles. So when these two alternate angles are equal, definitely AD is parallel to BC. And also they have given that CD is parallel to AB. So we can say opposite sides are parallel. So we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. Note it down, children. With this, I am going to complete my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.